Well, hello.
I have to say hello there because that's how it works when you've got a two-person event going on.
And welcome to another RiderCamTV video. Again, we're in the same place.
Same shirts.
Yeah.
So it's obviously close to our last video you might have seen.
Yeah, you might have done. Yeah. Anyway, Mark came back from his trip in, where did you go?
Norway.
With a purchase. And I came back from Spain, having purchased these and took them to Spain to see how they would work. And recorded it when I was over there and my memory card went corrupt.
Oh.
So that wasn't good, was it? I had to buy a
Oh.
new one. But I bought these. They are so nice. Feel that. Feel my leather.
Never mind the quality, feel the width.
These are Furygan, is that how you say it?
It is now, mate.
I missed that quick.
It's a strange name. Oh, got the wrong hand.
Yeah, so did I. Furygan. Now these are called James D30.
They never fit your
gloves.
hands.
They do. They do. Why would you say that they didn't?
They're too small.
I've only got small hands. What's he like? Anyway, I wanted, because I was wearing a pair of Givey gloves, I think they were, and they wore through. I'd worn them that much, so they'd wore through, but I wanted some really small, just rather than the big all-weather gloves, I wanted something that was light and something that was quite cool in the hot countries, because when we were in Spain it was like 36, 37 degrees and it was boiling hot. So I found these, and I found these on Sports Bike, and I'd managed to find them in a shop to try them on, so I knew what size fitted.
What shop?
A shop.
Oh, okay.
A shop. Dan will sell them as well, but I got a discount because there was a discount code that I found online on Sports Bike shop.
Where'd you find discount codes?
You type into Google discount code.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I've always wondered, because you get that little box in the thing, it's a discount code, and I'm like, you've got to be a mystician.
No, you just type in the Sports Bike shop discount code or whatever shop you're looking at. Sometimes it takes a while to find one, but more often than not, there's something there.
That's how it's done. You don't have to phone up and say, do I get a discount code, or wait till you get an
Well, you
envelope.
could do that, but that's kind of old school, isn't it? Who speaks to anybody anymore? It's all text, isn't it? Right, now we've...
Hang on, I've got to go and Google something.
Now that we've educated Mark, and he's in the year 2019 now. Anyway, these gloves are really, really soft. I don't know what leather they're made of, but they're made of really, really soft leather. And the thing with me with gloves, unlike Mark's gloves are really quite thick around the fingers, aren't they? And I like the small,
Can I just say
gloves.
that my green £24 gloves, and I'm suspecting these might be more than £24.
And not much more, to be honest, with
All
a
right,
discount.
don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet.
Okay.
They finally gave up on me after a year.
Did they?
I had to throw them away after Norway, yeah. They stank horrendously, mind.
Well, they were green, weren't they? Anyway, I wanted a pair of really light, airy gloves that were going to keep my hands cool rather than sweating like mad. But I saw these, they were really soft. As soon as I put them on, it felt like a glove on my hand. It sounds really sad, but they felt like they just fitted. And you don't get that very often with gloves, do you? Because very often you've got, like, the thumb is like that
I was going to say, you do know the thumb
long.
goes on the thumb, don't you? You have to put them on the wrong way around.
Yeah.
Jeez, they don't fit.
No. But how many times have you been to get a pair of gloves and you've bought them, those four fingers fit okay, and then the thumb is too long and you can't find where you're trying to touch on the controls and it's all over the place, and that really winds me up.
Were
so
you
much
born
so
in a
that-
special village then?
I know, I just like things to be right. I like things to be right. But I do like them, and these benefit from the D30 armour as well.
D30 armour.
Which is the same as the standard D30 armour, that on the impact it goes solid and then it takes the impact, doesn't it?
Yep.
But they are like squishy. But if you hit them, then that's really solid. And there's lots of videos around the internet where people are putting it around their thumb, that D30
Yep.
stuff, whacking it with a hammer, and it's not hurting.
You have to be a special kind of stupid to want to do something like that. Don't you?
But fortunately, there are people that make videos that are special kind of stupid.
Can you speak French? I've got my gig lamps on. Can you speak French?
No,
What's a chèvre? Cure de chèvre?
I don't know. Somebody tell us in the description. But they are really, really comfortable. They've got a lot of different features that I've found. One, that they keep your hands cool. But they've got slight padding in there, which I'm not sure whether that is D30 around your palm. But the gloves are really thin. And on here, on the index finger, hopefully you can see there's like a strange pattern. And I found that strange pattern allows me to use the touchscreen on the phone.
All right.
Sometimes it's a bit hit and miss, but that's it's a plus, because if we get a text from a customer when we're on a tour,
I ignore it. No, I don't. Sorry, I always answer them, eventually.
we'll do the 101 guide secrets video in another. No, but it's always nice to not have to take your gloves off, especially if you're quite hot and sticky and sweaty. Every time, just have a look at a text or look at where you are on the map on your phone. So I found these really good. They've also got a zip that zips up to keep them
zippy uppy
and tight on your hand, but also you can adjust them with the Velcro strap, and they don't go too far up into your jacket. They're literally just on your wrist, which is quite nice. You get the air up there, because I know that you were saying that when you were away you wanted the air to come up through your jacket, didn't you, on the Revit video that you did. Hit up there wherever we put the card. The only thing I don't like is this.
What's that for? I was going to ask you what that question was for.
It comes in a card, and they're both kind of sat like that, poppered onto a bit of card that hangs on the shelf. But I don't understand why you would spend that money stitching that in there, paying for all of that just so it's there, because I can't see any other reason for it to be there other than to annoy you.
It's not. There's no popper in here for it to pop onto.
It's just really odd. So I might cut that out, but it hasn't been a problem when I've been riding. I haven't really noticed it, but they are really, really comfortable.
I reckon that is D30 on the palm.
Yeah, and on the thumb.
Yeah.
I just find them really, really comfortable. I do find that, I mean, these are a large, a size 9 or large, and my hands aren't particularly large. To fit my hands, this is the right size, but when you get hot, even though they keep your hands quite cool, cooler than the Gore-Tex stuff that I've got, I do notice that it's a little bit difficult to get off and on, especially if it's really, really hot, because your hand swells a little
Moist.
bit. Why is it when somebody says that word, people just all around the world just burst into laughter? I don't know. Anyway, that's my latest acquisition, and I got them. I think they're about 80 quid, but I got them for £54 with just a normal discount code that I had and I could find online.
Wow, they're impressive.
They're
but
really
the googling for a discount code has impressed me more, mate. I got to be honest. 54 quid. Yeah, so I'm easily impressed.
But they're really, really nice. I've never had any Furygan, if that's how you say it, kit before. But I've noticed that when I've looked around shops and stuff, their leather jackets and stuff seem to be the most supple. So the leather that they're using...
Supple.
So the leather that they're using for their gloves and their jackets is really quality leather, isn't it?
Chevre.
Chevre,
it says in here. Could be just something, could be really offensive. I'm sorry if we offended anybody by saying Chevre.
It's obviously the makeup of it, because 12% of it is polyurethane.
Wow.
And then 88% of it is Cœur de Chèvre.
Cœur de Chèvre.
Yeah, it is 88% goat's leather and 12% polyurethane.
You just made that up, goat's leather.
Right, I'm going to show the camera this, because on this side, which is the side that Mark was reading, 88% French words, 12% French word. If you twist it over, it tells you it's 88% goat's leather.
Oh, it does. That's what a chèvre is then.
Right.
Every day's a school day.
You see this bit here, look?
Yeah.
That bit there, it says doubleur. Well, that means lining.
I've got a lesson in French. Le singe sur la table. There we go.
Sorry to you French people out there.
Je suis frontière, n'est-ce pas? That's all my French there.
Anyway, they are my gloves. Recommend those gloves. They're really, really nice, really comfy, and I get the impression that because they're made of that decent, now we know, goat's leather, 88% of it, that they're really soft, but I think they're going to wear really nicely.
They are. One of us is an idiot. We'll let you decide.
Please don't put that in the description. But really, really comfortable. And I really like them.
Excellent. Right.
Really like them.
Job done, eh?
Yeah, I like them.
I do like them actually.
Yeah.
I'd have to have
When are you
bigger
getting
ones.
them?
I'd have to have. Cornish Stig's just gone out. Soon.
Oh, that's Amazon coming. Anyway, if you've liked this video, give it a massive thumbs up because we really like that. There's a bell somewhere next to the subscribe, which we also want you to hit. Hit that one and you'll see all of our videos when they come out and be alerted of them. And we'll see you in the next one with Mark's new gloves and my new boots.
See you soon.